In this week's outdoor adventure, myself, along with the whole family, are heading to scenic Bonne Bay, Newfoundland. We'll be taking you along on this family day trip. We're going to be eating some delicious traditional foods at a beautiful restaurant, catching some beautiful mackerel and cooking it up right on the water's edge, and taking in all the beautiful views around us. Bonne Bay is one of my favorite places to visit in all of Newfoundland. Just one quick look at the scenery around us, and you'll understand why. So why don't you stick around and join us as we visit one of Newfoundland's most beautiful hidden gems. Are you? Well, I never got it on camera, but that was one moose we've seen so far, so we might see some more. Woo-hoo. Good eye, sweetheart. Where are we to today? Where are we to today, Elijah?
Hi, babies.
Okay, we're in Woody Point, and we're coming in here. It's Canada Day. We're gonna go for a family lunch, and then we're gonna see if we can catch a few mackerel. What do you think of that, mister?
Yeah, good idea.
Is that okay with you? He's the boss, so whatever he says goes.
Yeah, whatever he says.
Where you want to go?
Mother is putting on the harness there. She's going scaffolding there now. Elijah!
Look at Daddy.
He said no.
He's a not in the moon.
Hello, Uncle Aaron.
I'm honored.
Are you talking?
You go. Oh, there's a clip on your back.
There he is. He said, where are my 2 bites? I don't think I've ever been there before.
What's she doing? Scratchy, scratchy.
You've never come to the table.
Mama?
Yeah. Come, Mama.
He's a very distracted eater.
You are
Well, we're here at the Loft. This is one of our favorite spots to eat down here in Bonne Bay on the Woody Point side. Delicious food, and the aesthetic here is pretty nice. We got some grub ordered now, so hopefully we'll get it soon enough, and it's gonna be good.
Elijah, look at Dad.
You sir this, Tula? Well, we're down here now on the wharf at in the heart of Woody Point, and we're hoping to do some mackerel fishing. Not much word on many mackerel being caught, but we're gonna give it a go. Beautiful evening, not much wind, so hey, you don't know, you might be able to get one.
That's a Connors there. Yeah, lady over there just got one, so. Back seat. Holy rolls.
Cookie, sir?
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, come over. We'll leave her there.
Why? No mackerel lander. Yeah. Oh, there we go. I got something. I don't know if it's a mackerel or not. Not fighting like a mackerel. I might have a rubber boot. Yeah, but see how I got no? I jigged in sideways. Watch this. Andrew, look at this.
That's a big one.
What a size, eh?
You see them?
Yeah. Yes, we're
You
gonna
got
keep
your
them.
cooler
Yeah,
wrap?
yeah, I got my cooler with ice.
If you can take it
Yeah,
to
you
freedom.
wanna reel this in against the cooler? You make sure you get some mackerel. I got Old Faithful. Oh, ugly cotton cooler. One we just don't care anything about.
So reel it. There he is. There you go.
There you go, Aunt Gail. Oh man, he's capable. That one's capable. Look at the state. Where's the rag? You get one, Andrew? Yeah, they're far enough, right?
Where's the sun gone? Here. You just watch us rotate.
We did the
No, dear, you're a third.
Yeah, but you get the cat.
panic and I was like,
Oh.
stop. Like, I was like, I'm
So much sun she's allowed to have.
if I can't stand up. Saturday before. It's Saturday before.
Oh.
Well, it's only 12 degrees.
God.
Yeah, we
I
come
was gonna say,
in.
geez, what happened there? Where'd he go, roll?
Don't know.
Come down.
It just snapped and gone.
I'm right.
Where are you?
I guess it must be.
Hey there, Elijah. Look at the camera.
Where's that guy? Yeah.
All right, well, not much luck here. We got a couple, and now we're gonna head to another spot. See if we get a few more. If we hit into them big time, I might fry one up real quick. Aunt Rosie, would you have a little bit or what? Catch and cook mackerel. Catch and cook mackerel. What's seaweed is there? Oh, coming in the water right there, look.
Yeah. There, yeah.
Well, no luck down there. We did well there last year. We're gonna cook up at least one of those 2 mackerel we got. There's no really point to bring them home, but I got some gear to do a bit of a catch and cook with, so I think that's what we're gonna do. Yeah.
Yeah, I got the goods. The mackerel has left the building. There's nothing in the bag.
Sad. You going?
I'll go down. I'll go down with this cooler after, and the seagulls will eat this, right? Now, if you had a white glove, wipe that
Yeah, we'll
liner off. See the liner? See that liner?
Yeah.
It rubs right off with a dry glove, though. Yeah. See that? Just comes right off. Mr. Van Cross showed me that. If you get them wet, it works almost better.
We're gonna fry up the mackerel there now.
Shut tap off.
Just have enough aluminum foil here, should I?
Oh,
Got the. Now,
Oh, look at that now. Stouts. I tell you, they're hungry. They're on the go.
All right. Oh my.
I bet you if I throw out that got it.
Look at the audience back there.
You got an audience. He just did. Oh, did he? Yeah.
Don't show the government what we got in the car. Plastic forks and a plastic bag.
Plastic bag. All right, Rosie, you're going first.
Why am I going first? Cast iron guts.
Hot?
Not hot, but good.
Cool.
Cram! Fight.
There you go.
Split right down the middle.
Now, buddy, that's not a big meal for the three of us.
Down there is a.
Good mix of lemon this time.
Yeah, not too much.
Good. Yeah. It's like it's good. Oh, good. Oh, it looks everything like that. Last one we done last year was like too much lemon. Eh?
It was, yeah.
But that's good. That's
Yeah?
good mix. Yeah. On that?
No, I wouldn't eat that.
Okay. That's good.
It is, yeah.
I can eat that.
No.
15 minutes to cook and 15 seconds to devour.
Alrighty, well, that does it for another video. We got the peanut gallery down there. Had a delicious lunch at the old loft. Got a few mackerel thanks to Uncle Jason and Gail. Everybody else got skunk, and we had a little kitchen cook there. Fresh mackerel, bit of lemon and a bit of spices on it. Absolutely delicious. If you guys like this video, make sure you click like and subscribe. We got a bunch of playlists like this down below with all kinds of videos and whatnot. Thanks for watching this far, and we'll catch you on the next one. You get there?
And cleaner. Mechanics and cleaner.